Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are going to do these skid boots in white, from the Rio Rondo Traditional Western Accessories Kit. They were nice enough to give me a sample kit so I could show you guys how to use it. I did make another video that showed the splint boots and the skid boots, and a lot more detailed than what I'm going to do today. So if you want to go check the playlist for that, you'll find it. But today I want to do them in white. This is what your pattern looks like. Okay, so I need the skid boot cup, the top, and then the leathers. Okay, the pattern calls for 4 3-inch long lace buckle straps. Okay, so I am using 1/16 inch. You can use, the pattern says 3/32, which is of course a little bigger. I'm trying to stick with my color pattern here. So what we want to do, I need a right and a left, so I'm going to come this direction with this one. Like that. There we go. So you're going to do that to both of these pieces. Okay, so what we need to do is kind of make the little bowl that the heel goes into. So you're bringing these pieces in and gluing them down. And because I got that shiny stuff on the other side, this is going to take longer for the glue to hold. But you want to go like that, and then we're going to go ahead and have the other, I got plenty of glue right there. Go ahead and put that right on top to make that bowl for the heel, right like that. For the cup cover, we need to do the same thing. We're going to glue these into the center to make it into a bowl. So this should be easier because it's not that shiny stuff. Okay, so now we're going to glue this right to there. Now, I know if it was that natural color against brown, it would look like a real pair. These are, I don't know, trying to get these to match. And I'm absolutely sure that if you really wanted to get a pair that matched your outfit, you could get a pair to match your outfit. So you could call these custom skid boots. Okay, we do that to both of them. They look like that. And then we have 2 more buckle straps, and we're going to take and we're going to put it right in here and fold that over and glue it down. Yes, I use tacky glue. Almost exclusively, I use tacky glue. See? Tacky glue. Last step is that you glue this to this. And I would do it either side of the tail. And give yourself at least 1/8 of an inch. This is more closer to 1/4 of an inch. And again, because I have that, it's shiny, that shiny stuff. This shiny, almost a patent leather, it's so shiny. I'm going to need to clamp and let it dry. Now you will notice that I have the buckles going in the same direction. Okay, and as for putting them on the model, the boot, where the cut part goes on the ankle. I love upside down horse. And then this goes up here. And the extra I'm going to tuck in where that that's hip knot. Let's pull this around. And this extra or at least that's how I would do it. There we go. That's the all-white version of the skid boots from the Rio Rondo Traditional Western Accessories Kit. I want to thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and tell everybody who you know who makes tack about this channel so we can get our numbers up and I can keep making these videos. Appreciate your time. Bye-bye.